Hello and welcome to Kia EV6 News. I can't promise to do one of these news videos every week, but if there's enough stuff around then I'll do one. Just a correction after last week's episode about the tyre gunk not being fit for purpose. I contacted Continental Technical Support and they clarified that it was matched to the car and it would be fine, and I think Chris Skerry also spoke to the same guy. So to clear that up, I don't want to make this a misinformation channel, so I'm correcting that now, so it should be okay to use. Next item, blue has been added to the Kia EV6 GT colours, so you've got black, white and blue in the UK. I know other European countries have got more choice, which seems mad to me, but that's the way it is. It's good news. Someone asked me if I thought when the Nvidia Drive chipset would come to the EV6. The Nvidia Drive is the system that's turned up inside the Genesis GV60. So you've got the new fancy graphics, which should be on screen now, and you've also got proper over-the-air updates, which deliver stuff that I showed in Carr scanner last week. You can see inside the onboard diagnostics all of the settings and various versions. All of those are updatable with Nvidia Drive. As for when we'll get it, all I can think of is when the EV6 gets refreshed, and that tends to be 5 or 6 years, so you may be talking 2026. But also availability of chipsets is another issue. But at least they're already doing the work with the Genesis GV60, so that's matching the Nvidia Drive chipset to the EGMP platform systems. So if they've done it once, it'll be easy to do for the rest, and at least it's out there and tested. It saves us having to test it. Right, I found a technical article on from Kia on the matte paint care. That'll be useful for people who've got the matte paint. I know it's difficult to get hold of now, the matte paint grey colour, but it is how to care for the paint. So I'll put a link to that, and it's, as you can see, it's on screen, and it's looking like Carr scanner's been updated with more EV6 and Ioniq 5 sensors. Things I've noticed is onboard charger temperature, and can't find it now. The interior temperature of the front vent, I mean my car says 35 Celsius, it's really warm. Outside is 23.5. All the different temperatures for all the vents are there. Humidity sensors. The onboard charger temperature, 58 degrees. Jeez, that's a lot. And the ADAS steering angle, you can turn that. Anyway, each release seems to bring more and more EV6 stuff, so it's good to see. We'll know everything about this car eventually. That's about it for this week. Thanks for watching.